Historic listing for D-Mart, and look who I have with me here, one of the iBankers, Dharmesh, a regular on the channel, friend of the channel. Dharmesh, were you surprised looking at this IPO, the way it got listed, the way people are excited about this listing? And also your view, because you're also a market guy, people who are holding on to the stock, what's the road ahead?
Well, I'm not at all surprised because we all expected this kind of response on the listing day. So in fact, it's delivered to what we expected. Well, if you're a long-term investor, I think it's a great stock to hold on to, as the valuations are rich, but we're looking at the overall business, and the only way to play India retail story with this kind of a great business model, I think this should do very good for the long-term investors.
Dharmesh, one of the things which is being discussed right now in the market, and Nikunj and I were also discussing, that there's hardly any float and people have not satiated their appetite for the paper. So whenever the HNIs who got like a massive amount of lending also for this, when they flip, it's the big fund which will absorb the entire float. So even follow-up buying, not only the kind of response so far, but follow-up buying will also be seen going forward.
Well, that's why you're seeing this kind of volumes today. So any large investor who wants to really buy size will pay a premium to get it today. Because going forward, as you said, the float is not that great. So you'll start seeing lower and lower volumes. So these are the 2-3 days wherein actually you get the large float in case you're looking to buy a large size.
Ramesh, that was purely from the stock market point of view, hardcore return talk. But you also know the promoters of the company for a very long time. As an individual, as a person who has been associated with them for such a long time, what have been your key learnings? Because this overnight success, which may seem to many, has come after decades of hard work, isn't it?
Well, so I know him from the day I entered the stock markets, and he has been a legend and a mentor and someone we look forward to look at. So knowing what kind of work he's gone behind this whole setting of D-Mart right from 2000 to 2017, I think so there's a lot of hard work by him and Neville and Ramakantji and all the team to get where they are today. So it's not as if it's just got listed today and the prices, that's because of the market euphoria. It is really hard work. You look at the numbers, you look at the business model, it's well crafted and well devised, and I believe this can take them forward.
All right, Dharmesh, thank you very much for your time today at this historic day.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.